This is the Hewitt Outrigger assembly video. Lay out and inventory all of the parts and pieces. Locate the 4 carriage bolts and slide them into the aluminum U-channel located on the bunk. Adjust the 4 carriage bolts to match the holes on the aluminum outrigger. Securely tighten down all 4 nuts on the aluminum outrigger. This completes the outrigger assembly on the Hewitt hydraulic lift. We are now going to start the assembly of the guide steps to the outriggers. Lay out and inventory all of your parts. Slide the keel plate onto the U-bolt and attach with nuts. Now slide onto the outrigger. Secure the upright to the outrigger with the U-bolts. Tighten down the keel plates with the bolts. Slide the upright extension into the top rail. This process will need to be repeated on the other end. Slide the upright extensions onto the curved uprights. Center the top rail between the uprights and secure using the hex bolts. Center the carpeted bunk on the top rail and secure using the lag bolt. Slide the rubber cap onto the top rail. Bunks can be set to the desired height using the set screw. Repeat this process on the other side.